Good morning, guys. So we have some updates in the Emmanuel Haro case since my last video yesterday. We're going to break down everything because Jake and Rebecca do have new charges, and we also do have footage of Rebecca and Jake during their first court appearance yesterday that I'm going to play at the end of this video so you can see their faces and their body language. So the first thing that I have learned is that Rebecca and Jake both told authorities when they first reported Emmanuel Haro missing on August 14th that his birthday was December 21st, 2024. Now, as I shared yesterday, based on court documents, law enforcement believes that Emmanuel Haro's life was taken on or between August 5th and August 14th, 2025. And law enforcement was able to narrow down this timeline based on interviews that they conducted with people close to the Haro family. Now, there are some people on social media saying that Emmanuel Haro was seen at a Costco with his family as well as members from Jake's family on August 10th, 2025. It doesn't seem like law enforcement has that concrete evidence, or else the timeline would be narrowed down even more. So if you feel like you have evidence suggesting that Emmanuel was alive past August 5th, contact authorities. Now, yesterday I did share Rebecca and Jake Haro's charges. Rebecca was added on a first-degree MURDER charge, and it looks like late last night there was one filed for Jake Haro as well. So he is now being charged with first-degree MURDER, just like Rebecca is. Now, in the parentheses, it does say August 5th, 2025. A lot of people seem to think that that indicates that law enforcement has evidence that Emmanuel passed away on August 5th. That is not the case. If you click on it, the document actually goes into more detail and states that they have a timeline of on or between August 5th and August 14th. Now, as far as Vincent Hughes, the man who was defending Jake and representing him up until what seemed to be yesterday, that guy is no longer defending him at this point. I don't know if he quit, if he was fired, what the case is with that. But while you listen to this footage that I'm going to play in a second, you can hear that both Rebecca and Jake are going to be assigned public counsel.
Good afternoon, Ms. Haro. And good afternoon, Mr. Haro. And Mr. Cosgrove, your request is to continue the arraignment to September 4th?
Yes, Your Honor. For both defendants, they have seen a copy of the felony complaint. However, we need to obtain at least an initial filing report, run a conflict check, and decide which individual the public defender will keep and which we will declare a conflict on.
Thank you. And at this time, I will appoint the Public Defender's Office to represent both defendants. And Ms. Haro, Mr. Haro, you both have the right to be arraigned today. Do you waive that right and agree instead that your arraignment would be timely if held on September 4th or within a reasonable time period of that date? Mr. Haro?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Haro? And I will set your bail in the amount of $1 million for each of you. Anything else at this time?
Your Honor, I think there's two bail bonds that need to be exonerated on trailing misdemeanor cases.
Okay. And on the trailing matters, the court will set bail in 717 amount of $10,000 for Mr. Haro and 265 $35,000. And Mr. Cosgrove, general time waivers on those cases.
Yes, please.
Anything else? Okay. Thank you.